Namaskar. In this video, we will see nerve supply of muscles of lower limb. The deep fascia of thigh is called as fascia lata, and it is thickened on lateral side of thigh to form the iliotibial tract. The iliotibial tract gives insertion to two muscles, anteriorly tensor fascia lata and posteriorly gluteus maximus. The tensor fascia lata is supplied by superior gluteal nerve, while gluteus maximus is supplied by inferior gluteal nerve. The superior gluteal nerve supplies three muscles: tensor fascia lata, gluteus minimus and gluteus medius. The anterior compartment of thigh is the extensor compartment, and it shows the oblique muscle sartorius. Sartorius is the longest muscle in the human body. It is also called as Taylor's muscle. It is supplied by anterior division of femoral nerve. The sartorius muscle divides the front of thigh into two parts. Below and lateral to it lies quadriceps femoris, and above and medial to it lies the femoral triangle. The rectus femoris is the straight muscle. Lateral to it lies vastus lateralis, and medial to it lies vastus medialis, and deep to the rectus femoris lies vastus intermedius. These four muscles forms quadriceps femoris. All of them are extensors of knee joint. They lock the knee joint at the end of extension. All of them are supplied by the posterior division of femoral nerve. In the floor of femoral triangle, there are four muscles. From lateral to medial, they are iliacus, psoas major, pectineus and adductor longus. The lumbar plexus lies inside the psoas major muscle. The iliacus and pectineus are supplied from the trunk of femoral nerve. The pectineus muscle is the only muscle which have triple nerve supply. Means it is supplied by three nerves, that is the trunk of femoral nerve, anterior division of obturator nerve and accessory obturator nerve if present. The adductor longus belong to the adductor compartment, and it is supplied by anterior division of obturator nerve. The anterior compartment is the extensor compartment, and nerve of this compartment is femoral nerve. Femoral nerve is a branch of lumbar plexus, and the root value is dorsal divisions of ventral rami of L2, L3 and L4. The medial compartment of thigh is the adductor compartment. The nerve of adductor compartment is obturator nerve. Obturator nerve is also a branch of lumbar plexus, and the root value is ventral divisions of ventral rami of L2, L3, L4. The pectineus, adductor longus and gracilis are supplied by anterior division of obturator nerve. The obturator externus and adductor magnus are supplied by posterior division of obturator nerve. Adductor magnus is a composite muscle. It consists of adductor part and ischial or hamstring part. The adductor part is supplied by posterior division of obturator nerve, while the ischial part is supplied by tibial component of sciatic nerve. The adductor brevis is a short muscle and it lies in between adductor longus and adductor magnus. It is either supplied by anterior division or by the posterior division of obturator nerve. The posterior compartment of thigh is the flexor compartment. It consists of hamstring muscles and the short head of biceps femoris. The hamstrings is a group of 4 muscles, that is the semimembranosus, the semitendinosus, the ischial part of adductor magnus and the long head of biceps femoris. All these 4 muscles are supplied by tibial component of sciatic nerve. The short head of biceps femoris is supplied by common peroneal component of sciatic nerve. The anterior compartment of leg is the extensor compartment. It consists of 4 muscles. The tibialis anterior, which goes to medial margin of foot, the extensor hallucis longus goes to great toe, the extensor digitorum longus divides into 4 tendons for lateral 4 toes, and the peroneus tertius goes to lateral margin of foot. All these 4 muscles are dorsiflexors of ankle joint. The tibialis anterior helps in inversion. Peroneus tertius helps in eversion. Extensor hallucis longus is dorsiflexor of great toe, while extensor digitorum longus is dorsiflexor of lateral 4 toes. All these 4 muscles are supplied by deep peroneal nerve. The lateral compartment of leg consists of 2 muscles, the peroneus longus and the peroneus brevis. Both these muscles are supplied by superficial peroneal nerve. The superficial peroneal nerve and deep peroneal nerve are the terminal branches of common peroneal nerve. The posterior compartment of leg is the flexor compartment. It consists of 8 muscles and nerve of this compartment is tibial nerve. There are 4 superficial muscles. They are medial and lateral heads of gastrocnemius muscle, the soleus muscle and the plantaris muscle. The gastrocnemius is a strap muscle, while soleus is a multipinnate muscle. It is also called as peripheral heart. The 2 heads of gastrocnemius and soleus together are called as triceps suri, and the tendon of triceps suri is called as tendocalcaneus. It is the strongest tendon in the human body. The plantaris muscle is a degenerating muscle like the palmaris longus. It has short belly and long tendon. There are 2 intermediate muscles. The flexor digitorum longus takes origin from tibia and flexor hallucis longus takes origin from fibula. The 2 deep muscles are tibialis posterior and popliteus. Tibialis posterior takes origin from posterior surfaces of tibia, fibula and interosseous membrane. The popliteus is the key of knee joint. It begins the flexion of knee. It unlocks the locked knee at the beginning of flexion. All these 8 muscles of posterior compartment of leg are supplied by tibial nerve. On the dorsum of the foot, there is a single muscle, extensor digitorum brevis. It divides into 4 tendons for medial 4 toes. The most medial tendon goes to great toe. It is called as extensor hallucis brevis. The extensor digitorum brevis is supplied by lateral terminal branch of deep peroneal nerve. The first layer of sole consists of 3 muscles. The abductor hallucis and flexor digitorum brevis are supplied by medial plantar nerve, while the abductor digiti minimi is supplied by lateral plantar nerve. The second layer of sole consists of 2 tendons and 2 muscles. The tendons are the tendon of flexor hallucis longus and tendon of flexor digitorum longus. The 2 muscles are flexor digitorum accessorius and the lumbricals. The flexor digitorum accessorius is supplied by lateral plantar nerve. The first lumbrical is unipinnate and it is supplied by medial plantar nerve. The remaining 3 lumbricals, means second, third and fourth, are bipinnate. They are supplied by lateral plantar nerve. The third layer of muscles of sole consists of 3 muscles. The flexor hallucis brevis is supplied by medial plantar nerve and the remaining 2 are supplied by lateral plantar nerve. The adductor hallucis is supplied by deep branch of lateral plantar nerve, while the abductor digiti minimi brevis is supplied by superficial branch of lateral plantar nerve. The fourth layer of muscles of sole consists of introossia. There are 3 plantar introossia and 4 dorsal introossia. The introossia in the 4th intermetatarsal space are supplied by superficial branch of lateral plantar nerve, means 3rd plantar and 4th dorsal introossia are supplied by superficial branch of lateral plantar nerve and the remaining introossia are supplied by deep branch of lateral plantar nerve, means 1st and 2nd plantar and 1st, 2nd and 3rd dorsal introossia are supplied by the deep branch of lateral plantar nerve. Thank you.